Hello friends, if you are searching how to cancel Calendly account, so try this method. Today in this video, we are going to tell you how you can cancel your Calendly account. Only in some easy steps, all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. Method 1. Cancel Calendly account via online. Open your Calendly app or log into your Calendly account. From the main page, tap on the account settings. From the bottom of the page, tap on the Delete Account button. Choose the option of what you would like to do after deleting your account. You will get these three options: transfer ownership and delete my account, keep my account and leave the organization, delete my account and disband the organization. Give the answer to some of the asked questions and after that tap on the red delete button. And you are done. By using this method, you can easily cancel your Calendly account. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.